Get excited about the 2018 Ford F-150. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and air conditioning. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.